All right, so part one of the rear sway bar. Where I'm at right now, I'm going to show. I made these jack screws. I'm hoping will work out. These are about 9.5 inches long. This, just a piece of 1/2 inch black iron pipe, 2 inches long to make a spacer. What I'm doing is I'm threading out each body subframe bolt. There's 4 of these, and as I take them out, I install my jack screw, thread it up in there, tighten it up. And I'm hoping to use these, well, one is guide pins, and secondly, jack it down. Now, I bought a meter long piece of this threaded rod, cut it into quarters. I think they're about 9.5 inches long. It's leaving me about 4 inches. You can see one here installed. It's a little hard to make out. It's the third one. About 4 inches hanging out. I don't know if that's going to be enough distance, so I may end up with the jack having to lower it. My plan is just to loosen the nut on the bottom. Then I can control the rear subframe coming down. Hopefully I get enough room to get the sway bar in there. If I don't, obviously I'll have to take it off and continue on down with the jack, but these will be in place and make good guide pins for putting the subframe back into position. So part one, hopefully today I managed to finish this rear sway bar job, and I'll put some more parts on if I find any other useful tips.